Hey everyone, this is my overview of my website that I've created for my practicum in my Master's of Instructional Technology. Put a lot of work and effort into this, and I really hope that you enjoy. So this is my online professional e-portfolio. So when you go to the website here, this is the general page that you will see. I will scroll down a little. I give a little blurb about who I am and what all I've been doing and my life with a 6-year-old and things like that. I decided to share this picture here of my family and myself just so that people could put a face to a name. So then if you scroll back up here, then all of my instructions are going to be under this MIT. So if we click this, we will go to the MIT. It tells you to go to the drop down. So we will go to this candidate info and then click technology philosophy. This here is my technology philosophy that I did go ahead and create. So then if we scroll down, you can see the entire paper along with the resources. Same thing goes for my leadership philosophy. It is also up here, and you will see the paper again, and it will go down, and it will tell you all about it as well as my resources. Then the third one under candidate info is my resume. And a funny story, I've actually utilized this exact resume. Granted, I have tweaked and added and perfected it along the way since I was a senior in high school. Um, so here is the resume, and then you can scroll down and you can see all of this information. And I think it's a great way, and always you're able to pop these out if that helps. So here is my activity evidence. So this is all of the assignments that we have created within this last, um, 16 weeks here. And some, then the last page, there are additional resources. Those are some that I've created throughout my entire program here. So this first one is a professional development um, plan. This goes on to show all about like an entire professional development plan for teachers and students from the beginning to the end. So if you scroll down here, it's pretty lengthy, but it has it's 6 pages. So there's a lot of information that is involved in this. It's a great I think it's a great professional development plan. It goes based upon what I did in my daily teaching with adult education and English as a second language. So I did focus it towards those 2 classes. And we go back up here, go to activity evidence, then you're going to go to activity evidence 1. I grouped mine because my articles, my videos, and my presentations, they all go together. So within each 3 groups. So like this first one, they all connect. So I went ahead here and I've done this. So here, the first one is a video of me teaching my daughter telling time, things like that. Then the second one is how to log into Moby Max, a presentation step by step. Great resource if you have not used it for your students. I highly recommend it. Then here's my article summary that involves how education has changed and things within Google. Then here is my second activity evidence. Again, same standards. I have the video, I have the presentation, and then I have the article summary with everything laid out here. Another video of me teaching my daughter. Um, and then we went on to utilize Indiana Career Explorer. This is something I did with every student that walked into my classroom. So I went ahead and created a presentation as to how they could do it instead of me repeating myself quite often. And then here is another article that an article summary that I conducted. And then the third activity evidence involves life lessons. So this one was a little bit more fun for me just because this is really up my alley and what I like to teach on. And this was about job interviews and what students should wear. So I utilized my nieces, and they are 14 and 16 years old. So of course they had to get their giggles out before the first video. And so here they were. And then I did a presentation on how to create a job resume. And then article summary number 3 is also in here. So when looking, I was looking for an article that involved looking for a job as well, and what the importance is for a teenager. And if you go here, this last page here is my additional resources. So there are 9 other projects that I felt were my stronger projects throughout my master's program, or in more fun and appealing to watch, and not just some boring paper to read. I love to create the videos. I feel like they're so much more interactive and personal than just reading a paper. So I really, really enjoy this program overall, and I hope that you all have as well. So there's just 3 different things or there's 9 different ones, and under each one I've given a little blurb about what it's about, as well as what standards apply to that, and then some things that I've created. Like, this is just a simple um, infograph and things along those. So then you can click each one of those. And overall, that is my professional portfolio, and I hope that you all enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thank you.